Hello, right, today I'm going to show you this system for carrying dogs around in the garage of a vehicle. I need to point out that this dog, I think it's a stuffed one, probably. And anyway, so what you've got here is they've built the cage, if you like, into the garage of the motorhome. Dog goes inside, and in this case they've got a lot of space for the dog, but they've also got the garage for the use by the owners to carry spare dog food, tables and chairs and the likes. And of course on the other side as well, I'll take you around the other side to show you that. And that will have here, they've put up a insect screen, and this could also be used behind the insect screen, could also be used for garage use by the owners. It can come with, for example, here a window in the door. This can be inserted. Now it depends on the level. The price goes up to 5,000 euros. At 5,000 euros, you're probably looking for some the people who are carrying dogs around for shows and the like. And in this case here, they've also put in a air conditioning, but a cooler inside. I've got one called the Adam, comes from Italy, it's Everpolar, I think it's a German brand, but also they have a gate from the habitation area. Now on the outside, I asked, why do you need to have a lock here? Is it because the dog could open? No, it's not. The idea is this, is that if you leave your van somewhere, you can leave the door open. Presumably somebody wouldn't come along and take the stuff which is below it, but the dog is locked in and can give a good barking at whoever is going past. Let's now walk inside. And from the inside, one has also access to the dogs from here and can open this gate accordingly. Apparently the lock to that isn't actually needed. Now, as I understand the law, what has been just explained to me, is that dogs aren't supposed to be in here unrestrained in Germany. And if anybody knows anybody's had any dogs unrestrained in Germany, do give them the benefit of the doubt. Not that I would know anybody has been doing that, of course. And anyway, my larger dog is no longer in this world, so I suppose she is now beyond punishment. Although my partner's got a little dog, and I don't know what that one there. I'll have to think of some solution how to transport that one there. Anyway, so this I'll point out as well, this is a Weinsberg van. The company built these things. It's the Weinsberg rental place and dealer. I would point out that Weinsberg as a company would not be my first choice of motorhome, but I've gone into that in other films. I'm just now trying to show this dog carrying solution. Anyway, write down your opinions below. I know people will say that they don't think a dog should be kept in cages in the boot of a vehicle, but the thing is this: if this is the law, that you cannot have dogs running around as you're charging down the motorway, then they have to go somewhere. Either A, you give them money to get a train ticket, or B, you take them with you. There are the two possibilities. Thanks very much for listening. Hope you found that interesting. If you did, then you might want to put your comments below. And all the best from me in, where am I? Stuttgart. Thanks. Bye.